For the Empire, for the faith! Charge!
What would you do if I were your prisoner?
I would kill you, or parade you through my capital.
He smiled, a smile that would change history.
My punishment is greater. I will set you free.
Mercy, the most powerful weapon of all.
He returned, but not as an emperor. In the capital, everything had changed.
The empire he tried to save turned its back on him.
They began fighting each other while their enemies watched.
The battle wasn't just lost on the field, it was lost in their hearts.
With no one left to guard the borders, the Tari was open.
They did not come as conquerors, but as settlers. Villages became towns, and towns became strongholds. He did more than win a battle. He secured a future. The world was being redrawn. But as power grew, so did danger.
Deep in the mountains, a new threat was watching.
He conquered his enemies in battle, but could he survive the unseen? Next time, the final campaign, the fall of a lion. An empire does not fall in a day, but its final year can change history forever.
In 1072, the Seljuk Empire stood at its peak, but beneath its strength, pressure was already building.
Alp Arslan, a ruler forged in war, was now forced to secure what he had conquered.
Unrest in the east demanded action. Transoxiana could not be ignored. Empires are not held by conquest alone, but by control. One stronghold stood at the edge of resistance, waiting for its fate.
Its commander was brought before the Sultan.
In that chamber, power was no longer held by swords, but by words.
Its commander was brought before the Sultan.
And in that moment, history took a different path. History remembers victories, but it is shaped by moments of silence.
In a single instant, the balance of power changed forever. Alp Arslan, the man who expanded an empire, now stood at the edge of history itself.
Empires do not end when rulers fall. They end when silence replaces their name.